What is Grab? In Indonesia, people prefer to use apps like Grab to catch a taxi. Now, it has more functions. We create a more convenient, interesting, and safety apps for your daily life. Grab Water is a potential app in the future. We deliver clean water immediately. Ease your financial burdens. Save your time to search safety water. Grab Water guarantee you health and wealth. Grab Water. Grab Fish. Grab Recycling. Grab Friends. Grab Activities. Grab Shelters. Let's grab. It is the best choice for you to get clean water. Just log in your account, and you can start to get the water. Find the service you want. There are many choices. Grab Fish. Grab Car. Grab Chat. Grab Water. Fill in some information. We can help you find the nearest available clean water. There are a lot of water resources. Choose the water you want. Click Grab. Within minutes there will be someone to deliver the water you have ordered. You can track the real-time location of the delivery motorbike at any time. When water is served to you, give us the highest rating. Thank you.